Hey, guess what? Things are changing all around you right now. Ice melting, cookies baking, papers getting crumbled. But all changes, are they the same? They're actually not. And today, we're going to become change detectives and learn about physical changes and chemical changes. So let's go. So what is a change? Well, a change is when something becomes different. And scientists discovered something cool. There are two different types of changes. There are physical changes and chemical changes. So let's learn the difference. So what are physical changes? Well, a physical change is when something looks different, but it's still the same stuff. So the big question to ask is it still the same material? Well, if it's yes, then it's a physical change. So for example, crumbling up a piece of paper, when you crumble it up, is it still paper? Yes, it just looks different. That's a physical change. Another example would be melting ice. So here's the tricky part. Ice is water, but it's just frozen. So when ice melts, it's still H2O, just changed from solid to a liquid, a physical change. And here's something cool. Most physical changes can be reversed. You can freeze that water right back into ice. So the next is chemical changes. Now, chemical changes, this is where it really gets neat. A chemical change is when something turns into a completely new substance. The big question here, did something new get made? If yes, well, then it's a chemical change. And you usually cannot undo that. An example would be like baking cookies. Cookie dough goes in, but a completely different thing comes out. It smells different, tastes different, and you cannot turn a baked cookie back into dough. That is a chemical change. Another example is mixing baking soda and vinegar. Whoosh! Fizzing and bubbling everywhere. Those bubbles are brand new gas called carbon dioxide. You started with two things and made something completely different. That's a chemical change. So how do you spot a chemical change? Well, you look for these clues. Color change, bubbles or gas, a new smell, or heat and light. Those are some of your detective signals. So let's do a quick comparison, side by side. Physical changes are the same material, just a different form and usually reversible. Chemical changes, well, there's brand new material that's made and it's usually not reversible. So let's do a quick test. Freezing juice into a popsicle. Is that physical or chemical? That's right, it's physical because it's still juice, it's just frozen. But what about baking that juice into a dessert? Well, that's chemical because something new was made. And great job! You are absolutely change detectives. Now go find changes happening around your house. They're everywhere. And we'll see you on the next video.